Your phone screen glows with the promise of high-end leather footwear at prices that seem almost impossible to believe. You see those sleek boots and polished dress shoes marked down by 80%. The site tells you a heart-tugging story about a brand closing its doors after 13 years of dedicated craft. It feels like a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to grab luxury for the price of a cheap lunch. But your gut starts to prickle with a bit of doubt. This is the world of Avelmore. It is a digital storefront that presents itself as a seasoned veteran in the footwear industry. They claim to have been handcrafting quality products since 2013. That would be over a decade of history and expertise. However, when you dig into the actual digital footprint, things get strange very quickly. That 13-year legacy seems to have appeared out of thin air. Domain records show the website was actually registered very recently. This is a massive discrepancy that should stop any shopper in their tracks. It is quite difficult to have a decade of history when your online home has only been live for a matter of weeks. The site also boasts about having thousands of glowing reviews. A 4.8 star rating is certainly impressive on paper. But if you look for those reviews on independent platforms, they are nowhere to be found. It is as if all that positive feedback exists only within the four walls of their own website. Then there is the social media ghost town. A brand that has been around for 13 years usually has a trail of posts or a loyal community. Here, there is nothing but silence. It is a complete vacuum of social proof. You also have to look closely at the product photos. They look professional and elegant. But a quick search reveals those same images are floating around on various other random retail sites. It feels like a digital patchwork quilt made of borrowed aesthetics. Then you try to find out where the business is actually based. There is no physical address listed anywhere. There is no phone number to call if your package goes missing or the size is wrong. All you get is a generic contact form and a basic email address. This is a huge red flag for anyone who cares about customer service or the ability to return an item. The urgency of a closing sale is a classic psychological trick. It makes us rush. It makes us ignore the warning signs because we are afraid of missing out on a bargain. These huge discounts are designed to bypass our common sense. If a deal looks too good to be true, it usually requires a deep breath and a second look. You should always check for buyer protection when shopping on a site that feels this new. Use a payment method that allows for easy disputes if things go sideways. Don't let the shiny photos and the ticking clock force you into a decision. It is much better to spend a few extra minutes doing research than to lose your hard-earned money to a store that might not even be around next month. Stay sharp because the digital world is full of these beautifully crafted illusions that are designed to disappear as fast as they arrived. Protect your wallet and stay skeptical.